Good afternoon, everybody. We're here today in Fenwick Island, Delaware. We're at Fenwick Shores Hotel. It's a Tapestry Collection hotel by Hilton. So we got a king suite here. It's a one bedroom, living room, bathroom, and has a huge balcony on it. So we're gonna head inside, check into our room. We're also gonna show you everything this hotel has to offer. It's right here on the main coastal highway and just a few blocks from the ocean. It already looks awesome on the outside. Fenwick Shores, and there's the Fenwick Island Lighthouse in the name, the logo right there. That being said, we're gonna head on inside and show you everything this hotel has to offer. Right as you come inside, you got this cool St. Patrick's Day moose right here. That's really neat. And here's the front desk right here, so we can check in and everything. Hey, how you doing? And over here they got a little snack here, get your drinks. And they're awesome staff here. So there's your drinks and everything else right here. We have an awesome lobby area down here. You see the waterfall features there, the fireplace, the big screen TV, all kinds of seating over here. They got board games available. It's just a really nice seating area down here, and coffee right there. Here's a closer look at that fireplace right there. They got little blankets in front of you can use. Love the water feature right there. And they got the little Fenwick Island Lighthouse right here as well. They also have an on-site restaurant as well. Nice bar back there, and very cozy seating area here. And this is just right off the lobby area where that fireplace and TV and waterfall features and everything is. We are in room 226, all the way at the end of the hallway. This is the king suite. From what I understand, there's only two of these rooms, and both of them are at the end of the hallways. One on the first floor, one on the second floor. You have to go down there and make a right-hand turn in that hallway, all the way down to the elevators. It's at the very end of the hallway. But room 226, look at that. The Fenwick Shores Lighthouse is right there.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
do not disturb.
I only disturb. So heading inside the room here, you have a really nice entryway right here. Full length mirror right here. Hey everybody, there's all of our luggage there. Look at that Buc-ee's. No, we love Buc-ee's, but nice full length mirror right here. Huge mirror. Right over here, you got a space for all your luggage you can put there. You can store some items in there. And it's got a connecting room. So this is a king room here. You can also get a connecting room if you want. Living room is there. I'll just go ahead and start in the bathroom since it's right here. You have this sliding door right here. You also have a door from the bedroom as well. Hair dryer. Mirror. Hello again. You have plenty of storage down there, towels, everything. Nice counter space up here. There's all your amenities right there. Makeup mirror. Above the toilet, look at the lighthouse picture. That is awesome right there. Got your shower over here. So no tub in this room, but you do have your shower over here. There's your amenities in the shower. Love that towel work right there. And nice shower head there as well. And turning back around, very good sized bathroom right here. We'll go back out this way into the living room and the kitchen area. It's like a kitchenette in this room, but you do have a good size freezer and fridge in here, and ice maker. So if you're up here for a while, you definitely can make yourself at home here. Bless you. And then you have the full kitchen in here. I love that towel work back there. Has all those kind of beach colors, the kind of emerald green, the blues and everything. It's nice. Coffee cups and plates and everything. Microwave here. Silverware. And coffee maker right there. Full dishwasher here as well. There's your little sink there. That one doesn't open, but storage down below. Coming over this way, you can see the barn sliding door there, barn style. So you could fully close it off, have some people over here if you want to hang out. And they could use that door to go in the bedroom if you want to, or if you want to keep it private. They have that private entrance to the bedroom. Hey, what are you doing? And then, so you got a little table right here. You have a lamp. It's got USBs on it, looks like. I'm going to cut that on. Well, it doesn't want to cut on today. Oh, thank you, Steph.
You're welcome.
And then over here, you have TV, plenty of storage and everything. Welcome, Jeremy. Hello. That's me. And then, wasn't that a Taylor Swift song, Steph?
What?
Hello, it's me. And then,
Yeah,
yeah,
that's what she says. Hey, it's me. I'm the problem, it's me.
there's Stephanie.
You know that Taylor Swift song?
I have heard it a million times now. L-shaped couch, a little table right there. You have a lamp right there. Some more cool artwork on the wall right there. One of two balcony doors. We'll show you the view and everything in a second. These do have the screens on them. And then you got your two chairs here. Another chair down there, a little table there. We'll show you more of the view here in a second. And coming over this way, through the barn style door, we are going into the bedroom now. So we'll just start at the look at this room. We'll start with the view of this room. This room is awesome in here.
It's a nautical theme.
Yeah, I love it. You got this big storage area here. Armoire. You have a handheld steamer in there, safe. So it's like some things for probably the couch bed in there. And you got a robe in here as well. And then there's that entrance right there to the bathroom. A luggage rack over there, a mirror on the wall, lamp. This one has no plugs on it, but you do have a clock with two USBs. On the side of the bed, you have two plugs and two more USBs. Chair right there. Love that theming. Love that theming. There's that mirror. You have the oars on the rug right there. You have a little ottoman right there. Long table right there to put your stuff on. Another TV right there, also greeting me. I love how all these TVs greet me stuff. It's pretty cool. And then here's the bed, king size bed. Love this right here. A lot of times they just have a solid color or something on it, but they really went above and beyond to actually have it with their name on it there, Fenwick Shores, and the lighthouse right there. Look at the headboard there. Get your sailboat blueprints right there. That's really cool. On this side, same thing, lamp, storage, and everything. And you got the two plugs and the two USBs over there.
The knots.
Let's look back at the room. This is what Steph is looking at here, is the knots here in the frames. That's really nice. And then the second door of the balcony. This time I'll go out here and show you. There's the first balcony door right there. And the two chairs and the table we just showed you. Now the balconies don't have any dividers. So if privacy is a concern, just heads up on that. We like to have a little bit of divider of some sort. It doesn't have to be a full on out divider, but at least a little something to get a little more privacy would be nice. Chair and another table right there. And then there's your view. So there's the main parkway, or main coastal highway as they call it right there. If you look off in the distance right there, you can see the bay in there and the water. And it's not a great ocean view. Of course, they don't advertise it as an ocean view, so you're not like paying for an ocean view. But if you look down right there, I'll zoom in a little bit. There we go. There is the view of the ocean right there. And so not all rooms here will have it. This is the king suite, so expecting to have a little bit of the best views here. But even all these rooms on the side here, you'll have somewhat of a view of the ocean. But either way it goes, you have a nice view of the main highway right here. I can imagine now, like this is summertime, on a weekend or something, and probably bumper to bumper traffic all through here. Pool area is up on the second floor, so as soon as you come out, you got a gate here in the pool, and you got this nice sitting area. There's a fire pit over here. Looks like there's a bar here. Now we're all season pretty much. That's when we like to travel. The beach is all season. So this may be open different times of the year. Right now it's closed. There's a look at the pool. We'll walk in there in a second, give you even closer look and look at the view back there too. We'll be in that pool tonight. Looks very nice. And then seating areas all through here. Oh, look at this stuff. It's stairwell right here too. So you could go down to the first floor, not even take elevators, or all the way down to the parking garage. There's almost like 3 floors here, but the garage is just like the elevators and just the check-in area. So you could just take the stairs if you want to. And more of the seating area out here, and they got ceiling fans. And there's that bar again. It's a nice wraparound bar there. And here's a look from the seating areas over here. That's a good view of the bay and stuff. Good view of the bay. Right down below is where you come in and check in at. There's the bicycles there.
I feel like there's a pottery place right across the street.
Oh, if you're into pottery, stay right here. All you gotta do is cross the street.
Are you into pottery, Jeremy?
I maybe am starting to get into pottery. I like the Alawine place the best up in Gatlinburg. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
But it's a great view from here. I like this. There's a better look at the pool. Goes up to 4 feet deep. Has all kinds of jets in there and a sitting area. It does not feel heated right now. It's about room temperature right now, but it has had the sun out all day. So I like that little seating area right there. That's nice by the jets right there, almost like a hot tub kind of. And then here's the view over here, kind of that the pool overlooks. So the ocean's right over there, that sand dune. So you got a little bit of an ocean view from here. A little bit of view of or a better view of the houses over here. A very nice pool in here. Here is the pool at nighttime. Looks like the pool noodles are still out there, but all that blue color in there. It's lit up really nicely. You just hear that the fountains and everything just sounds really nice out here. I just want to show you the cool blue pool. Hey, most pools are lit up at nighttime. I guess this one just looks so much or so cool because it's just so dark. You can see the night sky all around and everything. It has a really cool blue effect to it. We're here at the Moonsters Restaurant, and Steph's still waiting on her food. She had the salad over here, which is a really good salad. These are the Old Bay wings right here. They look a little bit overdone, but we'll give them a try and see how they are. Steph's still waiting for her pasta right now. We waited about 35 minutes for this. We were the only ones in here when it started. So the service has been good, just the food's been a long wait. We'll give these wings a try. I'll show you Steph's pasta here when it comes out. Here's Steph's food right here. This is the mahi pasta alla vodka.
No, it's not.
It looks a little bit more like chicken though. Not sure. That's $26. That's not looking good. They brought us some fries. We always try to eat the food at the hotel with our credit too. We get up to, some of them are like, I think $100 at like the Waldorfs and stuff like that. But with Gold or Diamond, you get a food and beverage credit per day. So we have at least $30 here to spend when we go down for breakfast in the morning. Maybe we'll see, but maybe not. But we didn't want a whole lot of food. So we just got some wings and stuff, got a pasta. And it was about an hour total down there. So about 10 minutes to sit down, figure out what we wanted to eat and everything. Service was good. She checked on us several times and everything. Think of it.
Thanks.
But it took, almost 45, 50 minutes for our food to come out. Now, Steph's salad did come out pretty quick. Of course, it's all you tossed together, and the salad dressing was really good. But my wings took a while, they said, because they had a problem with the air fryer. And so I was like, well, I don't like air fried food that much. I guess you could have asked, what they're frying it with. But beyond that, we're back in the room now. But beyond that, the chicken was just really dry and not much seasoning in there. And so I said I didn't want those. We'll pay for the salad. And then Steph's food came out, and she had ordered it as mahi. And the host or hostess or server, I guess server is the right word, I put it in as mahi, but the kitchen had made it as chicken instead. So not a huge deal, but Stephanie really wanted some fish to go on her pasta. But then the first bite of chicken was cold. And then she asked to confirm, it was like, this doesn't look like mahi. And she was like, yeah, it looks like chicken. And then confirmed the kitchen made that wrong. So like,
After an hour.
yeah, an hour total, again, 10 minutes for us about to sit down, get our drinks, kind of figure out what we want to eat. About 50 minutes waiting on the food. We had cold chicken and over dried out wings. And the french fries were, she went ahead because of the weight and made us some fries. They were going to charge us for those just as a, sorry about your wait, here's some fries for you. And so we just took those back to the room to snack on those real quick. We got some popcorn from Fisher's I'll be eating. We weren't super hungry, so we don't need to go out and get some food or anything like that. But just let down on such a nice hotel here with such great staff. to have such a bad experience at the restaurant. Again, the server was fantastic. She's super nice. Apologized, checked on us several times, got us waters. It was just the kitchen, very slow, overcooked, and not cooked, which sounds really weird, doesn't it? And everything's made in the air fryer back there, apparently. So I don't know how the air fryer chicken wings 12 minutes, not 50 minutes. And the French fries are good, by the way. Like I said, the wings are just not much flavor, really dry. Steph's chicken on her pasta was cold. Like it hadn't even been cooked, but it's been 50 minutes. So a little bit let down at the Moonsters place. Can't win them all though. But hey, it's a nice hotel. I still recommend staying here for the hotel. Just I would probably avoid the restaurant. And we'll let you know tomorrow how our overnight stay is. Good morning, everybody. Awesome hotel stay. You got the ocean right there somewhere. My finger moves. Main Parkway. And the bay. Super clean hotel. Great staff. Great comfy bed. The only thing that was a kind of a miss for us, or was a miss for us, was the restaurant. Service of the restaurant was great. The salad was good. Just the chicken wings overdone. Not much seasoning. And Steph's pasta, even though it was ordered as mahi on the receipt, they did put it in as chicken and it was cold. So they did just waive that for us to get the food back. They didn't charge us for the salad, even though we offered to pay for that, and they gave us some fries to go back to the rooms, and we have at least a little something to snack on. But you can't win them all, so things happen. Just maybe an off night for the kitchen, but we would definitely stay here again. We're on an Atlantic Coast road trip, so we're going down to Key West. In the future, we'll come back and stay here and go up north to Canada. So we definitely stay here again, because just for us, we wouldn't eat at the restaurant. But great location here. Love seeing some of the water views. They're not ocean front or bay front, but you can still see a glimpse of the water, which is nice, and you can see the main parkway and everything here. So yeah, with that being said, just be sure to check out Fenwick Shores. It's a Tapestry Collection by Hilton. Great hotel, and we'd definitely be here again. Let's definitely stay here again. So be sure and check it out. That being said, the nerds are out.